Mac Group, being 100% New Zealand-owned company, executes highly technical projects all over the country. As a team, Mac Group ensures a sustainable and healthy environment to achieve the best result. Presently, Mac Group is at the stage of constant development and diversification of our services amid the engineering industry. Mac Group pioneers towards a healthy and safe environment with mutual respect, trust and unity being our key organisational guidelines. Services: deconstruction, demolition, commercial, industrial, residential. Project management: industrial engineering, civil engineering, structural engineering. Concrete cutting and core drilling. High-frequency concrete saws like Husqvarna WS482, WS220, CS2512, CS10, WSC40, K6500, core cut floor saws, etc. Concrete cut up to 1000 mm deep and high-quality flush cutting. Core drilling machines such as Weka SR38BA, Weka SR75, Weka SR38S, Weka DK32, etc. Core drilling from 40 mm diameter to 900 mm diameter. Designing, drafting and steel detailing. 3D modelling, 2D shop drawings, general arrangement drawings, bill of material lists, BIM management, NC and DXF export. Site clearance. Commercial waste removal. We have dedicated crews and trucks to remove all building waste and office furniture. Industrial waste removal. We have dedicated crews and trucks to remove structural steel, pipelines, boilers and heat exchangers. Residential. Our sister company, Skippy, getaskippy.co.nz, is dedicated to residential waste removal. Our key focus is to divert as much waste as possible from landfill. We are continuously sending materials such as carpet, wood, cabinets, doors, lights, electrical cable, glass sheets, toilet fittings and furniture to Tonga to help the local community in need. The picture shows the old church hall of Lavenga Tonga community. Over the past month, we have sent the following materials to Tonga to build the new church hall: 10,000 square metre carpet tile, 100 sheets of glass, 250 doors, 40-foot containers of 4x2 wooden stud, 30 cabinets, 40 sinks and toilets. Few pictures during the construction process. The church hall after completion.